So you guys make this kind of product, right? For Bathing Ape.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Xu Dongwei.
So you guys do all of the tags too?
Some jacket.
Oh, and you sew the jacket. And then over here you make boxers?
Yes.
So you got the Bathing Ape Flex label and everything. Guys, this is not fake product. We're at a trade show. It's the real deal. Look at the quality of the sewing. This is really what it is. How many pieces do you make?
They're saying like thousands, basically.
Okay, thousands. And what is the cost? So for the boxers, here you go. They produce 500 at $675.
If you wear reps, you are broke. Plain and simple, flat out. Reps are only for broke people. And if you make the decision to spend less money on a pair of sneakers that are the exact same as the real one, you are broke. I'm just fucking with y'all guys. Bro, all the love I get from my rep team is I appreciate y'all. The main stupid ass comment I get from dumb niggas is you're broke, or just say you don't have the money, or just say you're broke when it comes to reps. I feel like the sneaker community definitely bashes reps and try to say that people who buy reps are broke. That's such a stupid mindset to think of, because it does not mean you're broke if you want to buy reps. Plain and simple. Like, I was just watching Not Tripping's video, shout out him, and he was just went into a full rant basically, but he's dead ass right. I'm not gonna lie. Like today, I have a pair of Alexander McQueen's to review for y'all, but this only costs about $180 on the website. This same exact pair is $590. It's still a lot of money for a sneaker in my opinion. Like, get that shit to me for $10, bro. And ones. At this point, I'm a grown man. I can wear it. I'm fucking with y'all. Hey y'all, for Tap Back In Gang, it's your boy called Chris. That means you're calling me any fucking time you word, but don't really call me unless you come with that money. Ooh, I got this pair. I got the Alexander McQueen's to talk about this exact topic because of how simple of a silhouette this is, but they still tax on this. I don't know why. And before we get into the sneaker, I got these things from .ru. Shout out Hicks, they got me right for this pair to review you guys and go over this little topic. You feel me? So these look like so many different sneakers. Like these look like Stan Smiths, these look like the Gucci shoes, these look like Pumas. These also look like Adidas, but it's taxed hella. So on the website, I believe McQueen has these at $600, which is perfectly fine. They could keep it at that for their name and status, the oversized look, the originality, whatever, how much they want. But in such a simple design of a shoe, don't you think that like it should be a little bit less, not close to $600 after tax? I love these Alexander McQueen's, but they are very basic. So let's get right into the details, guys. You get an extra set of laces with this pair, as well as a dust bag, all the cards, and 2 boxes. So shout the oversized McQueen sneaker right here. You have the sole. The sole looks pretty solid. The oversized look is chunky. The proportions is right, which I love about it. Stitching on the toe looks correct on the midsole. Midsole is my favorite part about this sneaker, the height boost and the chunky look with keeping it sleek. So that's pretty great. Going into the upper, the full upper is a nice leather. It doesn't crease too much, but you know, that's a great look onto it. In the back there, we have the black heel panel. I think everything looks absolutely great on the sneaker. On each side, you have 5 breathable holes on the inner and outside of the shoe. Yeah, let's go over the remaining branding on the rest of the shoe, which, you know, is very subtle. On the tongue, you have the Alexander McQueen on the tongue, which looks pretty great. You have the Alexander McQueen on the back there as well. On the inside of the tongue, the sizing tag, size 45, which looks pretty good. And right there as well, Alexander McQueen shows in the insole. So, man, I can't wait to bust these out for the summer. Definitely a summer shoe. That's really about it for the video, gang. Just to fuck with the sneakers, check it in the link below. They will get you right, and they got me right for a good price.